Hello, hello, hello Chanelo, hello Chanelo, hello Chanelo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a luxury lover, a shopaholic, a fashion freak, and a Chanel connoisseur, Chanel collector. And today we're going to be talking about, today's video is a little bit about this tiny Chanel bag, miniest Chanelist, tiniest Chanel bag you can get. The cheapest thing you can get in a Chanel, no. The tiniest thing you can get in Chanel, the tiniest bag you can get at Chanel. I don't think they make it anymore, but it's the Chanel AirPod Pro case that I have like 4 of, and I've talked about before, but I want to do a little quick review on it and talk about why I like it, why I don't like it, and also kind of ways to wear it, and yeah, stuff like that. Okay, so if that's what you're interested in, so Chanel Tiny AirPod Pro case. The tiniest of Chanel bags. Tiny bag energy, TBE, tiny bag energy of Chanel. So if this is something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, keep on watching. Okay, so if you have this bag, let me know. I know, it's not a practical bag, it's very impractical. Why did I get 4? Who knows? Why? I have a black one, this one, in caviar, I have a white one in caviar, a pink one in lambskin, and a purple iridescent one in aged calfskin. I have this one here, and I have the pink one here. I can go grab it in a sec. The other 2 are my other place. Gotta keep them diversified because with everything that's going on in the world, I'll just keep all my stuff not in the same place. You know that. So this is the one I got repaired. I got this one and the purple one repaired because they both had issues. This one had some stitching issues. They fixed it. I did a whole video on how easy it was to get it fixed. They were super easy, super nice about it. And I didn't even have to do anything. It was free. It was everything. Full disclosure, I didn't even buy this from Chanel. I bought it from Fashion File. So, and they let me repair it. It wasn't on it's not on my purchase history. It's not on anything like that. They didn't ask about it. I would have probably just said I bought it in France because the accounts are separate, France and US. So if that was a thing, I would have said that. Maybe I did say that. I guess you can always say that. But honest to God, I bought it from Fashion File. One of the few things that I have bought that I have actually liked from Fashion File and has been real. I can do a whole other video on Fashion File later. I do not like them as a company overall. We'll talk about that later. This I got, and obviously they repaired it, so I know it's authentic. So if you have this, let me know. Okay, again, it's not a very practical bag, but I use it a lot. I think it's very cute and lovely and perfect. And what else would I have that for? Cute to put on Chai sometimes because then he gets a little cute dog bag. I did use it for a while as a doggy trash bag. You just take a trash bag, a roll of them. There's only one, but you can just put them in here and then kind of have the end pop out there. So then you can just pull out a trash bag when you need it. Yes, impractical. But it does give tiny bag energy. And as you know, I wear the chain all the time. I love this. So the chain is detachable. It's got a little Chanel CC right here. Oh, I got it from Fashion File for $1,000. And it's $950 in the store. So $950 in the store, $1,000. Kind of the same. So it's got a little CC here, and then it's the same Chanel leather. This one's with silver hardware. 2 of them are gold, 2 of them are silver. It says Chanel made in Italy, caviar. It's the same quality, right? It's pretty good. That stitching came out, whatever. It's just a tiny flat bag, right? So obviously it can't fit that much in it. It's got its little serial number there, made in Italy. Comes with a Chanel little booklet, a Chanel dust bag, and because these are from 2021, still the authenticity card, right? I don't think they make these anymore, and if they do, they make it a different style. They made a raffia one, they made some other ones, but this one, I think is so cute, right? Okay, so if you want a tiny bag energy, if you're going to a show or you're going to some sort of event and you want to just have a little thing, you can literally carry it like a little wristlet, you can wear it like a little wristlet like that. You could wear it as a shoulder bag too, like that. I mean, it's just the cutest, I think, right? It's not practical, right? But it's fashion. You could probably fit some Tic Tacs or one little thing in here. My car key, long ways, fits in here if you need. So one car key could fit, and if that's all you need for where you're going, if you're going to an event or you're going to something where you don't need anything else, you don't need an ID, you don't need your whatever else or you just take another and just put them in your wallet, in the little wallet. But it's all really for the look, right? And carry it as a little clutch. You can also, it's meant to be worn as a necklace like this with your AirPods, which it actually does. It's really good for your AirPods because you can put them in, you can charge them from the bottom if you need to, and then you just take them out from there. And then you never lose your AirPod case, so you never lose your AirPods as long as it's on your neck. Or you can just put it in your bag with your other stuff and just have the chain attached to another thing in there. But that's kind of how it's like that. You can wear it like that. I know it's a little bougie. I do wear it like this. sometimes. I think it's a cute little side thing. Again, you can always take this chain off and use it to attach to any other bag, right? So if you have like a phone carrier case, you can use it like that. And you can kind of just keep this with your AirPods in your pocket or in your bag when you need them, or you can use it for other things. But I do love the whole tiny bag energy feel of this. And then as you know, I've worn this just as a necklace with like other pendants on it. So I love the versatility of that. I like sometimes wrap it like this, as you know, and kind of do like that. Put it under a collar, like kind of have it pop out just a little bit. I always get compliments on this necklace. People always ask about it. And that's part of the reason why I got it in a bunch of different colors, because of that. But also because of little tiny bags that I can use with different looks. Let me go get the pink one real quick. So that's that. And then I've also worn this as a bracelet. So just wrap it around 3 or 4 times. I think I've done a whole video on this, but you can wear it like that. And then I kind of put this part on there with this kind of here and kind of wear it like that. Or you can do it over your like middle finger if you want, from here kind of thing, and do something like that. And have it like, or I have it sometimes hooked to a ring, that kind of thing. Sorry, I'm a little hot and a little sweaty. Okay, and then also you can just wear it like, you know, you can double it up as a necklace if you want, if your neck is small enough. Mine isn't. Anklet, like this is just versatile. It's a little cute little chain, and you can do anything you can do with the chain with it. I don't know if it's like, if you're skinny enough, maybe you can wear it over your body. I don't think I am. I'm not gonna try that. I think it would fit over me. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It can be a belt. It can be a freaking belt bag. That just looks like I am skinny enough for it. That's really exciting. Now I'm gonna wear it literally. I mean, that is a game changer, because now it's like a little belt bag. Love. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there now. They don't make these anymore, I don't think, but they do have them on the resale market. They go from like 12 to 19 or 20, so get one if you want. I love it. I think it's great. What do you guys think? Do you have one? Do you love it? Oh, I was gonna get the pink one. So here's the pink one. I have a little ring on it that I wear all the time, that I got from India. My mom got me from India. It's my Lord of the Rings ring. The one to control them all. Same thing, Chanel there, CC. This is pink, but the pink is with gold hardware, and it's lambskin, so it's a little more delicate. But same thing in here, CC, Chanel, made in Italy. I think they're all made in Italy. It's got its number in there. This one's really cute. Everyone loves the Chanel pink. Love, love, love. I love these little dudes. They're cute little tiny bags, and they're impractical, but they make me happy, so that's all I got for them. How else can you, you can, versatile. Necklace, bracelet, anklet, belt, wristlet, shoulder bag, clutch by itself, carrier keys. You could carry a couple of small other things in there if you want. Doggy bag. The options are endless. Oh, chanelo. Oh, yellow chanelo. I love it. That's all I got. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments below. If you have this bag, if you want this bag, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you hated it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.